The weather is creating big problems for restaurants already facing challenges due to the pandemic. As News 13's Jeannie Nguyen found out today, as the winds picked up, they forced patios to shut down.
With these crazy gusts, it looks like birds will be the only ones enjoying the patio at SADIES Academy and San Mateo for the time being.
As long as the weather's good, but the problem you have heat, you got wind, you got rain, and the next 2 days you might even have snow.
Because of wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, owner Roger ERKER says he only had one choice.
Well, patio is closed.
While patio dining is what this couple prefers, today's weather had other plans for them.
Our first choice would always be patio dining, but seeing the wind, we're like, ooh, we'll have to get inside.
And they didn't even miss the patio on a day like today.
We do feel like they took the right measures to make sure that people feel safe, even dining inside.
But SADIES isn't the only one. Just across the street at Trombino's Bistro Italian, owner Ray Trombino also had to make a decision about his patio tonight.
Just blowing leaves and everything right through the patio. We don't think we'd be able to serve our customers good.
While he just put up his patio a few weeks ago, he says if the weather continues like this, he might have to take it down for good. But for the time being, Trombino says he is here to serve his guests.
We are here to service our customers, and if they want to sit out in the tent, we will service them out there.
As if restaurant owners like Trombino and ERKER haven't been through enough this year, both can agree on the same thing.
2020 is the new curse word.
Jeannie Nguyen, KRQE News 13.
Trombino's is leaving it up to their customers to decide whether they want to brave the elements on the patio, but SADIES will keep theirs closed, they say, for at least the next couple of days.